What's up everyone, this is CryptoWolf. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a tutorial step by step on how to claim a Rebus airdrop for ATOM EVMOS and OSMO stakers. You have to be staking before July the 14th. You can see this video on the channel 13 days ago. I showed you step by step what were the possibilities to claim it. You could see also the requirements right here. We could see the requirements for Osmo, Atom, and EVMOS. We covered everything you need to know in this video. Go watch this first. I will leave a card in the right top right now. Before we start, I just want to warn you with a simple thing. Go check the Rebus official Twitter and go check it out. It has come to our attention that there have been multiple attempts of malicious activity across various platforms. Please be aware of fake groups and accounts. Help us keep our community safe by reporting spam accounts. So people, please watch out. These are the official links of Telegram and Discord. So make sure before you click onto something, check the links, alright? Or go to Twitter and use the original links. The links that I use in this video will be dropped in the description of my video, so you can go and use that. Alright, let's get into it. First of all, we will claim it for Atom. Now, the first thing we need to do, something very important. If we go to the Discord, you will see right here, you will see docs, knowledge, wallets. So what we have to do, we have to remove Rebus chain from Kepler to access it again. So we are on the right chain now because it's updated, because now the airdrop is onto it, as you can see right here. I will share the link of this also. So if we come to this page by clicking onto this link right here, app Rebus chain. Here you can see some answers they have answered. Go check it out in the Discord on announcements. So we click onto this and this will bring us to this page. This will be dropped in the description. Make sure to use it. So first of all, let us take a look if we are connected with the Rebus chain or not. Let's go to the downside and we see Rebus right here. So click disconnect. Yes, remove, close, and now we connect our wallet to this page. Click onto Kepler wallet. Approve this experimental feature. Again, approve. Alright, we have 250 tokens available. Now we click onto airdrop. Now you can see the unclaimed part of the airdrop is 1000 Rebus. We have 240 days until the claiming ends. That's enough time, but believe me, a lot of people forget that. Also about EVMOS, a lot of people have forgotten it. First of all, let me close the sound of Discord. Alright, so the first mission was staking Atom, EVMOS or Osmo on July 14 or before, or you could join the community with your Wax account until 31 August. Now we have the second mission to claim, stake Rebus. So we click right here onto stake. We just click onto stake tokens. We choose a validator of choice. Let me take a look right here. I will be choosing friends. Alright, 250. We're gonna do 240. We keep 10 tokens. Stake. Do it low. Approve. Confirming into ledger. Alright, staked successfully. Done. Why am I staking the total amount almost? Because we will receive every time 250 tokens. Also, this token is just launched. If you knew with EVMOS in the beginning, we had more than 1000 staking percent EPR in a year. So this is really interesting for Rebus. So I'm going to stake almost everything of my airdrop because I also don't know what the price is for now. I will give you an update. I will do a pinned comment under this video when I know the price. If you know the price, please leave a comment. Alright, let's get to airdrop back again. And now we have mission 3. We need to vote on a proposal. So what are we going to doing? We click on to vote. Once we have done that, we can see this one is passed, but this one they're still voting. Click on to vote. Click on to yes. You just need to vote to claim 20% of the airdrop. Alright, yes, confirm. And now you need to confirm this into your Kepler wallet. If you're using Ledger, you need to do that in Ledger also. Alright, that is done. It should be confirming right now. As you can see, claim tokens successfully done. Alright, now we go back to airdrop. We have mint 1 NFT ID on Rebus. This is coming soon. And then mission 5, use the Rebus vault. This is also coming soon. So now I have still 750 Rebus. I have 500 available. And we still have 500 that we need to claim. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, put on your notifications, because I will be dropping the day itself, as soon as possible, a video when we can claim mission 4 and mission 5, and I will show you step by step on how to do it. So make sure to subscribe, put on your notifications, and let's get it. So now, with the last 500 tokens that I have, I will be staking 400 of them. I'm gonna do the full amount today. Just do it. Click onto the validator of choice. Let me know in the comments which validator should I choose. Is there someone that you say that's a really good validator? Let me know in the comments. Let's choose Cleomedes. They also did an airdrop. Let's support them a bit. 240 stake. Click on to approve. All right, stake successfully. Now, another time. I don't see any other validator that I know or trust, so I just choose friends again. Let's do 265 tokens. Let's do 268. Transaction is not that much. The transaction fee. Low, approve. All right, so now we have the full amount staked for the part of ATOM airdrop. Now we still have Osmo that we need to claim. So now let's do this. You can see we have the full amount staked right here. Now we go to sign out. We go back to Kepler. Remove Rebus again. Yes. So we can see right now that if you connect with your Kepler, your ATOM and Osmosis airdrop is count together. As you can see right here, if you had the max ATOM, you would only receive 750, and I had given 500 and 750 from Osmosis and ATOM. And so now we are going to go to the last part on how to claim it for EVMOS users. So make sure to watch until the end, because this is very important. Sign out. Now we have to open our MetaMask. We go to main network. Then we go to EVMOS. Once we are here, we click on to connect wallet, click on to MetaMask, switch network. All right, and we see we have claimed 150 from our Rebus airdrop, and we have unclaimed 600. So now we just do the steps again. I will show you, but you saw it. It's the same process for ATOM and Osmosis. Click on to stake. Stake tokens, choose a validator, just sign the transaction. All right, stake successfully. Now we got our other part of the airdrop. We click on to vote, click on to vote. Yes, confirm. We sign this right away. All right, successfully. Now we have the other part of the airdrop, and now we still have mission 4 and mission 5 coming soon. As I said before, make sure to subscribe, put on your notifications so you don't miss out when I'm making a tutorial step by step on how to claim mission 4 and mission 5. Also make sure to pay attention. I will be dropping a pinned comment when I know the price of Rebus. If you know the price, just leave a comment. Alright? If there are any extra questions or problems, just let me know. Leave a comment, send me on Instagram, send me on Telegram, but the best of all, just leave a comment on YouTube and I will try to help you out as soon as possible, or other people of the community, because that's what we do in crypto. We help each other and we are not gonna let you down. So please ask your questions so we can fix it and you can claim your airdrop right away. All right, now I'm going to answer some extra questions that is very important, and a lot of people are searching them, but they do not find the answers or they do not seek for enough. So first, sign out. We have claimed our airdrop for Osmosis, Atom, and EVMOS. Now, we go to the Discord and we can see right here how many Rebus will be released at launch. There's a circulation supply of 100 million at airdrop, 68 million airdrop, of which 60% will be claimable at first. And then we have another 25 million for the pool and 9 million for central exchanges and treasury liquidity. Now, to know the price, we will start trading on 1 October. So normally we should know the price at 1 October. So I would recommend for everyone, if you want to stake, do not hesitate and start staking and start getting some rewards. And hopefully it will be a good EPR yearly, just as it was with EVMOS, if you remember. Where will Rebus be listed? Rebus will launch on the Osmosis platform and then on other decentralized exchange and central exchange later. So we are able to receive it now, today, 15 September, and we can stake it right away. You will also start getting rewards on 1 October. So for now, you're not receiving rewards. All right, let's that be clear. So if you're staking right away now, you will earn 14 days nothing until the price becomes available. There's liquidity, we can trade it, and then you will start earning your rewards, and then you can potentially sell your rewards or compound it. That's a choice you should make for yourself. I will let you know in an upcoming video around 1 October what I'm going to be doing and all what you need to know about the Rebus airdrop and what the Rebus chain is offering to us. Alright, that's it. That was it. Let me know in the comments if you're excited for the price of this token. And let us guess, what will the price be? Is there anyone very good in math? Is there anyone who knows what the price is going to be? Let us know in the comments. Let us have a discussion. What could it be? What could it not be? Alright, I hope there was a valuable video and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.